Hi, once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. In this video, we'll be taking a look at a product from WaveLink, which is the WaveLink Thunderbolt 4 triple display docking station. I'd like to give a shout out to the guys at WaveLink for sending this down. So this video, I'll be unboxing this product to show you the content of the box and how well built the docking station is, and also putting it to test with my gaming laptop and a couple of monitors. So if you're on the market for a docking station that has a ton of features, then stick around for the video. Once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. Stay tuned. Today, we have an exciting unboxing and review for you. This is the WaveLink Thunderbolt 4 triple display docking station. This powerful docking station promises to be a game changer for those looking to expand their workspace and boost productivity. First, let's look at the packaging. WaveLink has done a great job with a sleek and informative box design. On the front, we see a clear image of the docking station, and on the back, there's a list of all its key features. Alright, let's open this up and see what's inside. Right on top, you'll find your docking station, one Thunderbolt 4 cable, a power adapter, a card holder, an AC power cable, and a quick start guide that always comes in handy for quick setup instructions. This WaveLink Thunderbolt 4 docking station feels solid and well built. It's got a sleek aluminum finish that matches perfectly with most modern setups. Let's take a closer look at the ports. On the back of the device, we have one Thunderbolt 4 port, two HDMI 2.1 port that pushes single 8K at 60 Hz and triple 4K at 60 Hz. There are three USB-A 3.2 ports and an Ethernet port. On the front, there is an additional USB-A and USB-C ports, an audio jack, and an SD card reader. This is going to make connecting all your devices a breeze. Setting this up is super easy. Just connect the docking station to your laptop via the included Thunderbolt 4 cable and you're good to go. As you can see, I've connected these monitors to my laptop and I still have more room to spare for other devices. I've been using the WaveLink Thunderbolt 4 docking station for a few days now, and I have to say, it's been fantastic. The triple display support works flawlessly, and I've noticed a significant boost in my productivity. The data transfer speeds are lightning fast, and having all these ports readily available is incredibly convenient. Overall, the WaveLink Thunderbolt 4 triple display docking station is a must-have for anyone looking to expand their workstation. Whether you're a content creator, a professional, or just someone who needs a more efficient setup, this dock has got you covered. Once again, it's Mike from Take My Money. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.